Greetings from Geojit Financial. We are on to our IPO heavy week, and in this video we will be talking about the IPO of Craftsman Automation Limited, whose IPO opens on March 15th. The company is a diversified engineering company which mainly caters to the automotive segment. Geojit Financial has assigned a subscribe rating to this IPO only for investors with a long-term perspective. Now let us look at the company and its business. The company caters to mainly three product segments. One, to the powertrain and engine related products in the automotive segment. Second, to the industrial and heavy engineering segment. And third, again to the automotive segment, but for aluminium products and die casting. Its long-term customer base includes a good mix of global and domestic players, including Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Daimler India, JCB India, John Deere, TVS Motors, Royal Enfield, etc. The company has a long-standing relationship with these customers. Exports accounted for around 10% of its revenues in FY20. Now the company also has 12 strategically located manufacturing facilities which caters to most of the automotive hubs across India. The company has also incurred a significant capital expenditure to modernize and upgrade its facilities, which means that the company is future ready. Now, looking at the financials have shown a little bit of an inconsistent trend in the last couple of years. The revenue and the PATs have been a little bit inconsistent. The COVID-19 related uncertainties as well as the BS6 norms have definitely impacted the company's bottom line. But the positive thing is that over the last 9 months up to Q3 FY21, the company has managed to increase its EBITDA margins. The debt equity ratio also at 1.5 in FY20 is also comparatively higher, but the company again proposes to utilize the proceeds from the fresh issue of shares to pare down its debt. So the investors will have to keep note of the financials and the trend of the financials in the future. Looking at the industry, the domestic powertrain segment as well as the aluminium die casting sector in India is projected to grow steadily in the next couple of years. Of course, the COVID-19 related slowdown and various economies emerging from it will definitely play a big role in the demand for this segment. Government initiatives like the Make in India scheme as well as the scrappage policies will definitely will give a lot of opportunities for companies in this sector and for Craftsman Automation Limited also. So the industry potential is also there. Now, looking at the valuations of this company, the company is currently valued at the upper price band of rupees 1,490. The company is valued at a PE of 46.6 times on an annualized FY21 EPS basis. Now, when we do a peer comparison, although the fundamental ratios like return on equity and return on capital employed might seem a bit lower when compared to its peers, looking at the valuations part, the IPO seems to be reasonably priced on a PE basis and when compared with the average industry PE basis. So to summarize, looking at the company's long-standing relationship with its diversified customer base, it seems to be future ready with upgraded manufacturing facilities, the industry potential that is there, and also the government's focus on Make in India schemes. We have assigned a subscribe rating to this IPO. For more details, you may refer to the detailed IPO note published by Geojit Research on Craftsman Automation Limited. Thank you and happy investing.